In the United States, getting sick is not just a health problem. It can instantly become a financial emergency. A simple fever, a short hospital visit, one medical test, and suddenly the bill is thousands of dollars. That's why in America, health insurance is not a luxury. It's a survival tool. In the last video, we talked about why Americans insure almost everything. Today, we're focusing on the most important one of all, health insurance. What it is, how it works, and why going to the hospital without it can be dangerous. Health insurance in the U.S. is a contract between you and a private insurance company. You pay a monthly amount called a premium. In return, when you need a doctor, medical tests, medicine, or hospital care, the insurance company helps cover part of the cost. Unlike many countries, the United States does not offer free universal health care. Healthcare here is a business, and without insurance, you're not treated like a patient. You're treated like a customer. Health insurance costs money, even if you never use it. The average American pays between $300 and $800 every single month. For families, that number can easily go over $1,200, and this is just to stay insured. You pay every month, whether you're sick or perfectly healthy. That's why many Americans feel trapped, but still keep paying. Now comes one of the most confusing parts, the deductible. A deductible is the amount you must pay yourself before insurance starts helping. For example, if your deductible is $3,000, you pay the first $3,000 out of your own pocket. Only after that does insurance begin to share the bill. This is why many insured Americans still avoid going to the doctor. They have insurance, but the first big bill is still theirs. Even after the deductible, the costs don't stop. Some plans charge a copay, a fixed amount, like $20 or $50 for each visit. Other plans use coinsurance, where you pay a percentage of the bill. A $10,000 hospital bill can still cost you $2,000. And in America, that's considered normal. In the United States, hospitals must treat medical emergencies, but they don't treat them for free. An emergency room visit can cost thousands of dollars. An ambulance ride alone can cost more than a month's rent. X-rays, blood tests, surgeries, everything is billed separately. That's why medical debt is one of the biggest fears in America. Health insurance isn't perfect. It's expensive, confusing, and stressful. But without it, one accident or one illness can destroy your finances. For most Americans, health insurance isn't about comfort. It's about protection. Now ask yourself this. What happens if someone has no insurance at all and ends up in the hospital? How big does the bill get? What choices do they really have? We'll answer all of that in the next video. For real, honest insights into life in America, subscribe to City Post USA.